Carlton.
Yes, Chanda.
Dauna Avonza, Chakavira, marriage menu.
Wow, good job. All right. Or you mean in Daona Avunza,
Avonza,
Chakavanzika, marriage menu. Wow, that's interesting. You did very well.
All right.
Yes. Yeah, I think I saw a comment like that. Someone was asking, what is the secret in your marriage? You guys will always see you happy, laughing all the time. Maybe you are there. You have got your question also as well about intermarriages. Feel free to just type in the comment section. Feel free to ask your question. Just type in the comment section. So, Pastor Sidra, tell us, what is the secret in our marriage?
All right. In our marriage, what is working from the beginning is God. Put God first in your marriage or in your relationship. Even to accept Pastor Carlton's proposal, I prayed about it when he came to me. I prayed about, and I got the confirmation from God. So put God first in everything.
It's very, very important. You should put God first. So before you get in a relationship, you should involve God first. It's very, very important. If you're already in a relationship, involve God. If you are in a marriage, put God first. It's very, very important. I think we once told you last time that for Pastor Sidra to accept my love proposal, it took close to 2 years. This is our story. We are talking about what happened to us. It took close to 2 years. You know, why? Because to yourself, you are saying, no, I'm not the one. I'm waiting for my parents to look for me, the right person for me. So, you know, to change that kind of mentality, it required God. So it is actually God who had to speak to Sidra. You know, that's what happened with us. That's why we are saying, before you get in a relationship, you need to involve God. We have seen so many people. They get in a relationship, sometimes they ended up having disappointments. You know, when they're in problems now, that's when they go to God. It's very wrong. You should involve God, you know, before relationship. So put God first. It's very, very important. And also the other thing is the issue of respect. You know, we are coming from two different cultural backgrounds. Two different cultural backgrounds. To those, you know, who are hoping for an intermarriage, you know, on this point, that's where we have seen so many marriages failing about cultural differences. So for this one now to work, you really need, it requires respect. In both of you, you should respect each other's differences. You should respect each other's cultural differences. It's very, very important. And what else, Sidra?
Love.
Yes, love.
Love. If you love, you can even tolerate or bear weakness of each other.
Yes, very true. Love is very, very important. You know, irregardless, despite of each other's weakness, if you love each other, you don't see all those weaknesses. So it's very, very important. So these are some of the points that we are having. Whatever we are sharing here, maybe we need to put a disclaimer. These are the things that worked in our marriage. These are the things that we are seeing working in our marriage. So if you have got a question, feel free to ask in the comment section. We'll try to address to those questions. I hope you guys are enjoying. Have a blessed day. May God bless you. Please don't forget to follow our Facebook page and to subscribe to our YouTube channel. May God bless you. Have a blessed day.
Amen.